Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glam Girl Krishna. I am very excited for today's video because I'm gonna show you how to recreate this look right here. Super easy, minimal and festival makeup look. गणेश चतुर्थी है और भी बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स आने वाले हैं, ऑन द वे है। आप ये लुक रिक्रिएट कर सकते हो बहुत ही इजीली, बहुत ही कम प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड दिस वीडियो। Firstly, I'm gonna be using Lakme Lumi Smooth HS Serum. Next, I'm gonna be using Garnier SPF 50 Plus Super UV Invisible Sunscreen. I'm gonna be using Swiss Beauty Mattifying Makeup Primer. Now move on to makeup. Next I'm gonna be using Maybelline New York Super Style Lumi Matte Finish Foundation shade 220. Next I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Next I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Double Trouble Contour Plus Highlighter Stick to contour my face. Alright, moving on to blush. I'll be using two blushes, mix it together and apply it to my face. First one, Swiss Beauty Creamy Tub blush shade Chick Pink, and second, Rare Beauty blush shade Soft Pinch. Next I am going to use Benefit Cosmetic Go Go Lip as Cheek Tint. Now just set the base first. I'll be using MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Compact Shade C3.5. Next for my brows, I'll be using PAC Eyebrow Definer Palette. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'll be using Swiss Beauty Lip Liner shade Bobby Brown. I'm using this lip liner as a eyeshadow. I'll apply it all over my eyelid. I'm going to take this shade from this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and apply it on the top of my eyes, and done. Next I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Mascara. Next I'll be using Benefit Cosmetic Go-Go Lip Stick Tint. Now next for a lip, I'll be using Swiss Beauty lip liner shade cherry brown. Lastly, I am going to use Manish Malhotra highlighter, and I am just going to highlight all the high points on my face. Yeah, that's it. This is the final minimal festive makeup look. If you guys enjoy watching this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I posted a new video in my channel. So yeah, love you all. Bye bye.